कभी आपने सोचा कि इंतहाई फरागत के बावजूद हमारे पास वक्त क्यों नहीं होता और हम इंतहाई गलत अंदाजे लगाकर अपने सारे काम चला रहे होते हैं? कल से पढ़ेंगे, कल से वर्कआउट करूँगा, कल से अच्छी आदतें अपनाऊँगा मैं। हम 10 मिनट का कहकर आधा घंटा लगाते हैं, जब कोई 2 मिनट का कहे तो वी एज्यूम इट एज 20 मिनट्स. Why are we always running late? Why are we always running out of time? क्योंकि आप बेवकूफ़ है. मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ, आप बेवकूफ़ नहीं. हम नॉर्मली तुक्के लगाने में, अंदाज़े लगाने में इंतहाई गलत होते हैं. हमें नहीं पता होता कि कौन सी चीज़ कितना वक्त लेगी.
Well, when I have a problem with myself, I set the priorities in the wrong way. When, for example, I say to myself, I don't have time for myself, that means I need time to relax. I'm stressed with my daily routine. I have responsibilities I don't want to fulfill in that way. I am doing it right now. Thinking about, for example, a work. When I do a work and afterwards I don't have time anymore, that means that the work itself sucks out all the energy I have. That means I don't have energy management and a time management in the work. It's very important that you are in the right environment for yourself. For both, for energy, for life, for time at all. But to say we have less time, I think, as I said, it's a wrong construct.
Back home we have this culture कि अगर आपने 4 बजे का वक्त दिया हुआ है तो next person will presume it to be 5 or 5:30 or even 6. और ये हमारी एक बहुत ही आम सी आदत है कि if we ask like where are you and people still being in the bed, they will say okay we are on the way, हम बस 10 मिनट में पहुंच रहे हैं, बस 5 मिनट में पहुंच रहे हैं. In your culture, in German culture, how do you see the time management?
When you say we have an appointment at 7, you should be there at 7 plus minus 5.
It happens.
Well, normally it should happen, yes. Some people expect 5 minutes before. For other people, it's okay when you're around 7. Let's say plus minus 5, 10. That is not important. But I don't think that is a problem of nation. I think it's a problem of culture and the society you are in. I know some South American people who say we meet at 7 and in the end they meet at 9. That is what I say, it's a wrong way of saying things. Okay, Germans here in Europe are clockworky. So when it's 7, it's 7. When it's 8, it's 8. And when it's night, it's the time where lights turn off on the streets.
So if you're a friend of mine and I ask you for a favor, and you, just for the sake of face saving, you won't say no. You will not decline me. Just because I'm a friend of yours and I'll take up the responsibility. Even if I don't have the time. Even if I am unable to do whatever you are asking me to do.
Yes, but that is not a right thing for me to do, actually. When I know that I struggle with that, what is more important? It is known when you're sick, you should not go to work. So I take the responsibility to help you. That doesn't mean I want to help you, but I said, okay, because due to the friendship, to being colleagues, or to be a part of the same family, I have to do that. It's not about what I want, it's about the musts in our lives.
Thinking twice before saying yes is by far the most effective solution to all the problems, I think. क्योंकि आप अपना फेस सेव करने के लिए, शर्मिंदगी से बचने के लिए, दोस्ती निभाने के लिए लोगों को येस कर रहे होते हैं. वो सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ आप अपने सर पर ले लेते हैं जिनके लिए आप रेडी नहीं होते, जिनके लिए आपके पास वक्त नहीं होता. सो यू आर काइंड ऑफ जगलिंग अराउंड थिंग्स. आप चीज़ों में बैलेंस आउट नहीं कर पा रहे होते हैं. यू कैन नॉट डिसाइड हाउ मच टाइम टू बी डेडिकेटेड टू each and every task you are facing. So you end up being a loser.
But I think personally we should stop the have to's and we should start want to. That is a very important thing for myself, and this is, I think, the problem about responsibilities in life generally.
And I think most decisive and the differentiating factor between the struggling people and the successful people, और अगर बड़े लेवल पर जाएं तो डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज एंड डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज इज़ दैट हाउ यू वैल्यू योर टाइम. आप अपने वक्त को कितनी कीमत देते हैं, how much value you put into your time. So if you have some free time, अगर आपके पास फारग वक्त है, तो stop wasting it in scrolling and just using social media aimlessly, and just invest it in something good and use it positively. And I think that's it for the video. So अगर आपको कुछ सीखने को मिला है तो give it a thumbs up, like करें. If you want to say something, just say it in the comments. If you like the video, subscribe. नहीं तो इधर उधर कोई और लगा दूंगा, वो पसंद आ जाएगी.